Hi, this is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to split text into two columns in Microsoft Word. Before you get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go. Do you want to split text into multiple columns in Microsoft Word with the column feature? You can easily do so in the View step with the desktop version of Word. You'll be able to create column with selected text. So how to do it? It's very simple. So first of all, of course, we have to open our Word. You can open the Word document that you want to split the text. This one, as you can see in here, still one column. Now we want to split with two columns. How to do it? You can just click on layout in here and you'll find there is an option columns. You can just click on here and you can choose if you want to use two columns or three or this one left or right. You can also custom in here. So simple, right? So you can split your text document in this section on the layout section on Microsoft Word. It's very simple, right? So that is how to split text on Microsoft Word. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.